Business owners, you do not want to be fined $500 per day, up to $10,000, or even a 2-year prison sentence per business because you missed the deadline. Hi everyone, it's Shawana, and some of you know me as Shawana the Consultant. First, I would like to say thank you so much for being here and welcome to my channel. Today, I am talking to all registered business owners. The talk of the BOIR has settled, and I don't hear much people talking about it anymore. And I want to bring it back to the forefront. Business owners, you do not want to be fined $500 per day, up to $10,000, or even a 2-year prison sentence per business because you missed the deadline. So if you are a registered business owner, or if you know someone who is a registered business owner, continue to watch this video. I am going to walk you through step by step how to e-file the required information for all of your businesses. So go ahead and go to your computer, grab your tablet, or even if you want to follow along on your phone, go ahead and do so we can complete this process together.
If this is your first time filing this business, choose A.
Seven, choose what applies to your company. 8. Enter the number. 9. United States. 10 to 15, input the information of your business. Complete all required fields. Only select number 16 if your business was registered before January 1st, 2024. Click Add Company Applicant and skip number 18. 19 to 29 is asking for the company's applicant information. Complete all required fields. You can choose which address to input. If there is only one business owner and they are not a minor, you can skip this page. If there is more than one business owner, click the blue button. On the next couple of pages, you will input the business owner's information. Complete the required fields, click I agree, and submit.
I hope you found this video extremely helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. See you next time.